Hello viewers, how are you all? Hope everybody is doing well. As always, come with a very important video. Not to mention those of you who haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe. And many thanks to those who have subscribed. Let's go to the main episode without further ado. Today we will see how to do Jompay from ATM booth to load money on Instapay. This video is only for those who have an account with a local bank in Malaysia, such as Public Bank, RHB Bank, May Bank, etc., but do not have an online system. Despite having a local bank account, many people are not aware of how to load money through Jompay. As a result, various kinds of problems have to be faced. So hopefully after watching this video there will be no more problems. Let's see how to Jompay from ATM booth. Since we have an account at May Bank, we will Jompay from the ATM booth of May Bank. Take a closer look at the next steps. If you watch the full video without dragging the video, you will understand all. Please comment to us for any information about Instapay. Thanks for staying with us.